I've been trying to work out how a civil engineer, a cell biologist, and a pediatric physician came together to be
Walk,
part of a research project on
walk, walk,
wastewater surveillance of
walk into a
SARS-CoV-2.
bar. Yeah, that's right.
So, yeah, can you please enlighten me?
Well, very quickly, and then I'll put myself on mute. And for me, thanks very much for having us. I tried to do it once about 10 years ago with influenza and wastewater, had this thought, but it didn't work out. And then my son, Duncan, who works in Dalhousie on his PhD, called me early in March of 2020 when the lab had been shut down, said he'd seen a seminar and said, Dad, you should look in the wastewater for COVID. That would be a good way of looking at things. And I always listen to what my son says. And so I went around talking to people for a week or so, and people kept saying, you know, there's this guy, Rob Delatolla, you should talk to, because I was heading down to the wastewater plant with an empty mayonnaise jar, as we like to say. But then Rob heard and he called me, and then over to you, Rob.
Yeah, that's where I met Alex. It was actually really great that I met Alex, and it really took off from there. And I, you know, on my side, I kind of had a very similar experience to Alex, where my partner, my wife told me, you know, you should look at this. And I said, it's not fecally shed. It's not going to happen. And as any good partner, I automatically dismissed it. And of course, she was totally right. And then, you know, you saw in the news, I heard the Netherlands were doing it. I called up some colleagues. They pointed me to Alex. And before you knew it, Alex had us linked up with Tyson. And it was really Tyson helped us a great deal and to get it to work.
The best thing that happened that I had to play was introduce Tyson, and then I just make the jokes from then on. I just want to point out that Rob's partner, a lovely woman named Mel, has an education in art history from Queens, and she used that expertise to come up with that suggestion for Tyson.
Wow,
for Rob.
no.
Yeah, I was bored sitting at home watching Netflix, and the lab was kind of closed down, so I was trying to get back into the lab, and this was a pretty good opportunity to do so, and it blossomed from there.